Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. I've been asked a question by Paul from Stansted. He's got to park his car for a few months and he doesn't know whether to totally remove the battery or just disconnect it. Well Paul, I would use a 12 volt battery isolator switch, the JO240. Let me show you how it works. Please also remember, using the isolator switch may stop the clocks and radio, so ensure you have the codes. It will also disable remote central locking, so you will require a key to unlock your vehicle. When installing, always remove items of jewellery and watches to prevent anything touching the terminals and causing a short. Only ever connect to the negative terminal of the battery. To fit the isolator switch is quite easy. You only need two tools, a 10mm spanner and a 12mm spanner. So first, undo with the 10mm your battery terminal and remove. Get your isolator switch, put it on. I'm having mine there because that's the best place for it. Tighten up with the 12mm. So it's nice and tight. Then reattach the battery, the negative terminal, and tighten. With that all on and in place, I can now check. I've turned the lights on. If I turn a quarter turn and the power is now off. Put back on. And it's back on. It's as easy as that. The JO240 Amtech 12 volt battery isolator switch can also be used on leisure batteries for caravans, boats and camper vans. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.